teacher
Hello.
Colin
Hello. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Wow. Yeah. Which school did you go to and when did you graduate? And what did you study? And did you have fun? And did you learn anything?
I graduated King Mongkut University Technology, non Bangkok. I learn about electrical engineering.
Okay, another engineer. King Mongkut, Bang Mot, right?
No, พระนครเหนือ
Oh, Lat Gabang.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
ที่ King Mongkut อ่ะ วันลาดกระบังชูบางมดที่พระนครเหนือ
Okay, okay. Okay, did you have fun?
ก็ I think I have fun นะ
Okay. We can just let me just ask you guys, why do you think universities in America think extracurricular activities? So extracurricular means outside the classroom, sports, volunteer, things like that. Why do you think they think that is important?
I think because of extracurricular, it can show the other ability, accrue the subject, science, math, and they can make the children to learn about the community.
Yeah. Namphon agrees, and I agree too. Yeah, that's so shows that the person can maybe sometimes use what they learn in a real life situation. Turkey. Anybody want to share? What do they know about Turkey? About getting into a university in Turkey? What is it that they want the most?
I think in Turkey is high competitive because students need to study hard for makes a high score in national exam.
Okay, national exam. Okay, so kind of like the Turkey's ONET.
Something like
Turkey's
that.
ONET, something like that. Yeah, it's competitive because it's just one test. Everyone has the same test. Yeah, so you only have one chance. Like in America, oh, grades not good, ไม่เป็นไร